This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm in a convenient location in the South Loop, on the rooftop terrace at 1001 South State, panning from the south to the east over Grant Park and the museum campus, and heading north toward a panoramic view of the Loop skyline from Navy Pier and Lake Michigan, out west toward the Willis Tower and the West Loop. The building's angled orientation serves up great views from the apartments, and I'm headed downstairs for a walk through one of them. I'm in apartment 3408, a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, looking out through floor-to-ceiling window over Grant Park, the museum campus, and Lake Michigan, turning for a dramatic view of the cityscape to the south. This is a terrifically bright unit, going to have sunshine throughout the day. Have high ceilings, looking at a sleek kitchen, breakfast bar island that can seat 4. Have a 5-burner gas range with a range hood, white quartz counters, undermount stainless steel sink, gooseneck faucet with a spray attachment, tile backsplash. Upper cabinets are lacquer look in white, and lowers are brushed look in off-white. There's stainless steel refrigerator, dishwasher, and an under-cabinet microwave. What a great room this would be to entertain in and to just enjoy Chicago sunsets and the city lights. The roller shades on all the windows. Turning toward the bedrooms. Second bedroom. All of the closets have custom organizers, giving you great storage space. Again, you have floor-to-ceiling windows looking out to the west. Space for your bedding, additional furniture, nightstands, and a corner for a home office desk if you wanted one. The guest bath is just beyond the second bedroom, has a tub shower combination, and a triple mirrored medicine cabinet above a wide vanity. Good separation of the bedrooms. In-unit washer dryer. It's in the hall as they head toward the primary/master bedroom. Generously sized room. Can accommodate any size bedding, additional furniture. Again, you have that plank flooring and high ceilings continuing. As they head toward the bath. It's a walk-in closet with custom organizers. And then you have an oversized bath, gray tile on the floor, and the shower surround. Wide double bowl vanity, drawers for storage, triple mirrored medicine cabinet up above, frameless glass door in the shower. Very attractive finishes overall. 1001 South State has a very convenient location, great views from every apartment. Wide variety of apartments with upscale finishes, and a terrific suite of amenities. Definitely want to put 1001 South State on your must-see list. Head to the building's website to see more floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.